Ever feel like your inbox is a chaotic mess? Drowning in unread emails, struggling to find that important message? If you're nodding your head, then you're not alone. That's where email clients like Newton Mail come in. Promising a revolution in email management, Newton boasts features like read receipts, powerful search, and a sleek interface. But with all this functionality, a crucial question arises: is Newton Mail safe? Today, we're diving deep into the security of Newton Mail. We'll crack open their privacy policy, analyze industry experts' opinions, and uncover any potential red flags. So, buckle up and get ready to sort through the truth about Newton Mail's security. First impressions, transparency, and security claims. Newton Mail makes a bold statement: we believe privacy is a fundamental human right. They claim they don't sell user data and prioritize user security. Sounds reassuring, right? But security is more than just words on a website. Let's see if their actions back up these claims. Unveiling the security measures. According to Newton Mail, they employ a multi-pronged security approach. Here are some of the highlights. HTTPS encryption. This industry standard scrambles data traveling between your device and Newton servers, making it difficult for snoopers to intercept your emails. Password hashing. When you create a Newton account, your password isn't stored in plain text. Instead, it undergoes a one-way encryption process called hashing, making it unreadable in case of a data breach. Secure login. For some email providers, Newton utilizes OAuth, a secure login system that grants access to your emails without needing your actual password. This adds an extra layer of protection. These measures are definitely a good start. They demonstrate Newton Mail's understanding of basic security principles. Beyond the basics, potential concerns. But security goes beyond just encryption and password hashing. Here's where things get a little murky with Newton Mail. Closed source software. Unlike some email clients, Newton Mail's code is closed source. This means independent security experts can't scrutinize the software's inner workings, raising potential concerns about hidden vulnerabilities. Data storage. Newton Mail stores your emails on their servers. While they claim to have robust security measures, any cloud-based storage introduces an element of risk. A successful attack on their servers could compromise your data. Past ownership issues. Newton Mail has had a turbulent history, changing hands multiple times. This instability raises questions about the continuity of their security practices. Expert opinions, weighing the evidence. So, what do security professionals think? Reviews are mixed. Some acknowledge Newton Mail's focus on security features, while others express reservations due to the closed-source nature and past ownership issues. The verdict: security with a side of caution. Based on our investigation, Newton Mail appears to implement industry-standard security measures like encryption and password hashing. However, the closed-source nature and past ownership issues introduce a degree of uncertainty. The choice is yours, prioritizing security. Ultimately, the decision of whether to trust Newton Mail with your emails depends on your individual needs. If top-notch security is paramount, you might consider open-source email clients that allow for greater scrutiny. However, if user-friendliness and powerful features are your priorities, and you're comfortable with the potential risks, then Newton Mail might be a viable option. Remember, security is an ongoing process. It's crucial to stay updated on any developments regarding Newton Mail's security practices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.